Welcome back to this English for Elegance channel. This is a video that focuses on the importance of common errors in English and how to avoid them. Number one for today, how quickly he drafted the letter. The question mark is at the end. Please avoid that. How quickly he drafted the letter, exclamatory mark, not the question mark. Number two, if you see the tiger, you would have run away. The answer is, if you had seen the tiger, you would have run away. Don't use if you seen the tiger. Number three, no sooner did the bell ring than all the students left the school. No sooner did the bell ring, not rang. The did verb always use present tense, not rang. No sooner did the bell ring. Number four, in case if you eat slowly, you will miss the bus. In case you eat slowly, you will miss the bus. In case வரப்பையோ, suppose வரப்பையோ, perhaps வரப்பையோ, if avoid பண்ணுங்க. Last, all of a sudden, a ghost-like image appeared suddenly. The answer is, all of a sudden, a ghost-like image appeared. Suddenly, please avoid this. The effect is already here. All of a sudden, a ghost-like image appeared. So that's all for today. Let's meet in the next video. Please avoid mistakes in English, especially for the learners, so that you will get more successes and more marks in your exams. I wish you all the best. Let's meet in the next video. If you have not subscribed so far, please do it immediately. Thank you very much. All the best.